my dear students, this is our drawing class and today I will tell you how to draw some basic pattern in drawing. My name is Deepa and I am your drawing teacher. See, I have a paper but you have to use your drawing book. You should be ready with pencil, rubber and your drawing book. Okay? I have taken this sheet and you just draw border like this. Okay? Having distance 1 centimeter. At the corner you should write the date when you are going to draw this. See, I will now divide this paper having some rows. Okay? Now divide your page like this. I will draw one pattern here. You have to copy the same pattern to each row. Okay? Like this curve pattern. You should be free hand. Okay, and drawing should be free hand drawing. Like this. You have to draw, you have to copy in each of these lines. See, like this. How I am doing? Keeping our hands free. Don't stuck. Start from one end and you should end at another end. Like this. Continuously draw. Nothing matter, the curve changes to another line is different from the first line. Okay, you should do this practice first. Like this. Okay, this is your practice drawing, means you should be draw the freehand drawing, freehand curves like this. Now, so drawing a pattern is over now. Let us draw a drawing, that is a flower pot, in the next page. You turn the page and in the next page draw border like this and at the corner date should be there. Okay, when you draw the pot, that date should be here. So while drawing a pot, you should make a center point. See here, like this. And below the center point, the pot should be there and above the flowers. Okay. Now let us start drawing. Here I am going to draw a pot. In the first attempt, the drawing may be somewhat different from me, but it's okay. You can add your own creativity. Yes, this is the outline of our pot. Now we can make design inside the pot like this. For the first, you make the design as I am doing here. Okay. You be ready with your pencil, rubber and draw with me. That's okay. Okay, first of all, you draw the pot as this and then you will do your creativity in the next drawing. See here. Design the pot however you like. See here, this is my design. Okay. Now let us draw the upper part, means flowers. For that, first you draw some lines that are nothing but stem for the flower. Okay, this much flower you should draw. Okay, like this, and at the each end draw the flowers. Okay, I will show you the first flower like this. First draw a circle, then make a beautiful design of a flower. See, like this. This is the one of the design of a flower, and second you can draw different design like this. Or you can draw the same flower. See, this is the different type of flower, isn't it? Yes. Here I will draw again the same one. Okay. Now here again I will change the pattern like this. Okay, this is the different from the first one, isn't it? Yes. Now here again change the design. Each flower should be different from another. That this makes your flower pot very beautiful. Okay. See, this is the another, and then again here you can draw small flower because no big space is there. Here, yes, flowers are completed. Now what we have to do here you have to draw leaves. See, these are leaves. Leaves also should be different from one another. See here. Here the leaf is like this. Okay, then you make the stem little bit dark. Then again this leaf is different. Okay, somewhat a long leaf. Then another leaf. Here at the center you can draw many leaves. This makes your flower pot broad and fit to the paper. Okay, you can draw many more leaves here. See, nothing space should be leave blank because that makes your drawing a little incomplete. Okay, here also you can draw a leaf like this. Then how to design? Just add your creativity like this, some grass you can show. Now this completes our drawing flower pot. Let us color this pot using crayons. Okay, in crayon you have 12 colors. Okay, you can use any color for flower, but for leaves you have to use green color. So let us start coloring the pot. Okay, yes, see, I will color this pot first. I have a color violet. Just make a border. See here, make a outline, or you can draw this how you like. Means here what I am doing, I am just shading the parts. See how I am coloring this pot so lightly. You shade this portion. Here little darker, then little light, like this. You can use your creativity, you can use any other color, from this. Like this, I will color this all entire pot. This completes our coloring of this pot. Okay, you can use other colors also. Let us color these flowers. Okay, I am going to use some colors like pink, orange. Okay, this color I am going to use. You can choose your own color. See here, any one flower, color with orange first. I will tell you how to shade the flower. Okay, in this class, just I will tell how to shade. In the next class, I will tell about the color combination and how we can do different colors from a standard color. Do you know which are the standard colors? Red, yellow and blue are the standard colors. And mixing these colors, we can make orange, green and brown color. Okay, that I will tell in the next class. See what I did this. I colored this flower with orange. Now let us take one dark color and do shading at the edge, inner edge. See, like this. Isn't it look nice? Yes, this looks nice. Now at the center, you can make yellow color or blue. Okay, you can choose your own color. This is one of the flower. Now let us color all the flowers. Yes, we have completed the coloring of all the flowers. Now let me tell you how to color a leaf. See, I have a light green color here. First of all, you color the leaf like this, entire leaf with light green color. Now take dark green color, just make a shade like this. See how it looks? Like real leaf, isn't it? See, like this we will color all the leaves. See, all the leaves are colorful now. Now let us color the stem. How to color the stem? Take a dark green color and just make a line like this. You can use oil pastel colors also. In the next class, I will tell you how to color the picture using oil pastel. Okay. See, like this. Just a line should be there. Don't rub again and again. Don't do again and again. Just make a line like this. Yes, this completes our stems. Now, take your pencil and border each and every part, because this looks the flower as alive. By making use of pencil, you just draw outline of the each flower and leaf. Okay, you can use black marker also, but if you don't have the black marker, then you can use a dark HB pencil also. Okay, just don't draw this outline with black sketch pen. Okay, that looks too much broad. Okay, this completes our flower pot. You practice in your house. Many more time you can practice, but in your drawing book you draw this flower pot and color it and show it to me during online classes. Okay.